Hello, I'm Joseph Vargo with SimplyMac.com, your premier Apple specialist. We have our headquarters in Salt Lake City, Utah, with 8 retail locations in Utah, Idaho, and Wyoming. I'm going to show you now how to make multitasking folders on the iPad. So in order to make a folder for multiple tasks, kind of like we've done here for food, entertainment, books, or church, what you can do is hold your finger down on an app. So if I wanted to mix all the Apple apps together, the ones that come with the iPad, I can just hold my finger on it and put music with photos. If I just drag it over it, then I can take reminders and drag it into that one as well. And then I can rename it. Maybe it's not entertainment. Maybe I want to call it something like Apple Apps. And now it's called Apple Apps. Now notice they're all still wiggling, and I can move these around while they're wiggling. So I can take videos and put it in there. Excuse me. Or I can take maps and put it in there as well. And then you can just keep moving and shaking. Now, the question was multitasking. True multitasking is done by double tapping the home button, and it brings up all the apps that are running in the background. Or you can use 4 fingers and slide up, and it also shows you the different apps that have been multitasking as well. And you can jump back and forth from one to the other, just like that. Again, I'm Joseph Vargo with SimplyMac.com, and I showed you how to make multitasking folders on the iPad.